Hey guys, Giratina here, and today we are going to be doing a little update. This is a video also on the cougars because I'm going to try everything on cougars. So I haven't been uploading recently, and yeah. So I'm going to also be addressing this new glitch with the cougars. The tiaras have inverted colors. If you put a tiara on a cougar, it has weird invert colors. You know, if anyone knows Pink Love, I think they're a YouTuber or something. I actually am buddies with them. How do bows look on these? They look weird. And I think she's on right now, so whenever she's on, I don't know. I don't know if she's making a video whenever she's on, but where's Jolly Elf at? It's so weird. Oh, it looks so chubby now. So her gloves look decent. Wear a big sparkly bow. I got some warns and some promos and a fox hat and a beard and a spike and real spike wristband. About those fake wrists. Ooh, pizza hat. Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let's see this. It's like Goku on drugs. But just like, ooh, how do Arctic hoods look on these things? Oh, they look so good. They look so good on them. Oh my god. Those look amazing. Okay, so this is my new look. Feather masks. They look so cute. All Arctic hoods are beta, I think. I've got all my rares from the Forgotten Desert. So if you're watching this, I recommend you to turn into your flying animal and then go do the Forgotten Desert now. Go do it now. Plus the knitted sweater is still magenta. Black gazelles. Okay. Now I really want to address the glitch of the... Wait, no. I'm already in Chimel Town Shop. The glitch of... Oh my god, where is it? It's up here. Oh my god. Everyone's in a cluster. Train me be fair. Minecraft girl 9 to 5. It's great. Minecraft is just the best game. What is wrong with this? Oh my lord. Move, I want to trade you. I want to trade you. Get your okay, there. Minecraft girl 95. Wow. I trade fairly for this. Okay, we're gonna do something nice here. And a plushie. We're gonna troll trade this noob and see if they accept. Okay, I'm not making fun of noobs, but just like, wow, I want to do this so bad. When I was a noob, so many people did this to me, so I'm allowed to do it too. I need it. What?